Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1995 to 2004 Tacoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Jack up your vehicle and remove your body mount bolt and bushing. Cut off the factory front cab mount. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Using the silhouette where the factory body mount was originally located, hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage using a paint marker. You can temporarily install the mount with its bolt and bushing to achieve proper alignment. Then, holding your front cab mount up to the frame, tack weld the part onto the frame. If you temporarily installed your bolt and bushing, remove it at this time. Then, weld the part on fully. Step 4. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your body mount bolt and bushing with a 13mm socket. Then you're done!